Whenever there's violence, there's always trauma. So today we're out here to try to help heal that trauma as a community and hopefully
stop the violence.
This is all of our community coming together and within our Black Child Legacy Network, spread out throughout 7 different organizations. And we're coming together to celebrate while healing and really getting the energy to continue dismantling systemic racism.
We're having conversation like never before and solutions like never before, and that includes change around unhealthy police practices.
We cannot back down. We cannot be quiet any longer, but we gotta do it together.
One of the narratives that we know is that the police get called out on a lot of different mental health issues, and those issues often get escalated because our police department is not equipped to be social workers. And so one of the things that defunding the police is making sure that we have the appropriately trained folks interacting with our community when times of trouble occur.
If we get that resource, we can start training our community so they'll know and understand what crisis situations is.
And there's data that's proven that we've effectively reduced homicides, directly contributed to this coalition in their peacekeeping work around healing the hood.
So mark this day as the day we ask for the emancipation of Black folks in Sacramento.
A lot of the community partners that work with young people specifically decided to come together and show our kids that you can celebrate in a positive light, that just because we're being represented a certain way on media doesn't mean that that's how you have to respond, that you can just come together and have a good time.
A lot of the times, young people aren't seen and they aren't heard, and we don't even let them know that the world is theirs, the future is theirs, and we're preparing to hand this over to them, and that they have the opportunity to make sure that their children and their grandchildren, grow up in a much better place.
Educate yourself on what's going on, figure out your role in the movement. Some people are sign creators, some people are marching in the streets, some people are handing out water bottles. Just figure out what your niche is and apply that to the movement, because everybody's voice matters.
Now it's our time to step up and continue the race. It's a marathon.
Give the youth the chance to clear all of the nonsense. Every successful revolution, every leadership, inspiring role of making a change has always been led through the voices, the minds, the bodies of the youth.